We've all been told that a good morning is the secret to a good day. It's a delicate, fragile construct built from routines, rituals, and the hope that we can somehow control the first few hours of our lives. But what if this ideal is little more than a fragile myth, built upon psychological biases and external forces? Today at the Who Sit Dame Institute, our latest experiment dares to question, how is a good morning truly unmade? Our scientists, Dr. Elara smiling warmly, standing next to a table with a perfectly made-up breakfast plate, and Professor Zee standing beside a high-tech alarm clock, stretching dramatically trying to pick the breakfast plate.
Welcome back to the Who Sit Dame Institute. Today we are dissecting the very first moments of your day. Professor Zee here is a firm believer in the perfect morning.
A belief upon to his science, Dr. Elara. A rejuvenating alarm tone, a nutrient-dense breakfast, and a cheerful good morning from you. It's a symphony of optimal living if you ask me. My mornings are simply on Mickey Woo. Not gonna lie.
I'm a part of your good mornings.
Come on. Of course you are. It's as if far-fetched. Am I not a part of yours?
Of course you are. Not just the mornings. The entire day is good with you, Professor.
Oh, wow. You're gonna make me cry, Dr. Elara.
Oh, please don't, Professor. That will be horrible to watch.
Interesting, Dr. Elara. But all these are the human elements that add up to one having a good morning, isn't it, Dr. Elara?
Exactly. We will begin with the most human elements of all, the morning greeting. This is the first ingredient as we gently put a curtain on this ideal with our Divas of 5000, which we've affectionately renamed the Morning Unmaker. Let's begin.
The reverser whirs as its screen shows a cheerful-looking text message icon, which the machine then begins to unmake, breaking it down into abstract, glowing particles. Dr. Elara observes calmly, while Professor Zee looks on with fascination.
A good morning text or greeting is a powerful thing. It triggers a small release of feel-good chemicals in our brains, giving us a boost. It's a human connection that reinforces our sense of belonging. Just the way I get one from you, Professor, and you get one from me, people can also get a good morning from their loved ones, like your parents or siblings around them. And if they are far away, like your boyfriend or girlfriend, a good morning text will instantly set the pace for a good morning indeed.
Boyfriend? Really?
Uh,
Nah, I'm just playing. I got you good, Dr. Elara.
oh please, Professor.
As they both laugh steamingly.
But for those who are antisocial or learners, an alarm tone, a good shower, and a good breakfast must guarantee you a good morning, with calls from your parents to know if you're still alive or not. I know so well, cause I was a loner almost half my life.
Yes, indeed. It's alright, Professor. I think you still are, cause look at us, a 40-year-old and a 20-year-old, here in a dusty, clunky, and closet lab with a washing machine-like contraption trying to unmake a good morning. I call it a win, don't you think?
Hey!
And on to the next, the alarm tone. It's totally fine if you're a loner though. You can skip the whole good morning greetings and text cause you have no one to text or be texted from. All you get is this right here, the alarm tone.
Indeed, the rejuvenating alarm tone. Let's unmake that.
The morning unmaker glows and makes a high-tech, pleasant hum. Its screen shows the stylized alarm clock sound wave being stretched out and unmade, revealing a jarring, ugly, chaotic sound wave. Professor Zee winces, covering his ears with a comical expression of discomfort.
You see, the truth is, your brain goes through something called sleep inertia. It's that groggy feeling you have when you first wake up. Our unmaker simply shows that an alarm is really just a harsh, sordid interruption of that state. It's not so much a gentle wake-up call, it's a startling command.
Professor Zee while rubbing his temples.
So, my gentle melodic wake-up call is actually a sonic assault. This is incredibly rude of my alarm clock.
But if it isn't rude, then no one would get up.
Oh, right. That's the aim.
Exactly. Next, your breakfast. We are often told there's one perfect breakfast, but our own maker shows us that a healthy breakfast is really just fuel for your body. It's about what gives you the right energy for your day, not a rigid, idealized picture. The best breakfast is the one that, well, works for you. And when I say works for you, I don't mean you should just wake up in the morning, go to the kitchen, get yourself ice cream or some chocolate and start eating because that works for you. I mean something healthy.
I can't even imagine the pack of diabetes the person having chocolates and ice cream for breakfast is inviting into their lives. With my perfect eggs and fruit, Dr. Elara, they are just what carbohydrates and proteins. The magic is gone. This is a culinary tragedy.
No, it's not culinary tragedy, Professor. The eggs are indeed perfect. It's just like every other egg out there with same nutrients so long it's what's best for your good morning's breakfast.
Oh my days, even worse.
She breathes tiredly and then chuckles.
You're so impossible, Professor.
Dr. Elara gestures to a large analog clock in the lab that has a perfect morning routine written on its face. The morning unmaker begins to hum, and the clock starts to wobble and shake subtly. Its screen shows a clock with a perfectly planned schedule. The unmaker begins to subtly shake the clock, and the times and tasks begin to fall out of place and become jumbled. Dr. Elara smiles gently as Professor Zee looks on in distress.
And finally, the routine itself. We build these perfect schedules for ourselves thinking we can control every minute, but the unmaker shows us that a rigid routine is actually incredibly fragile. A good morning doesn't come from a perfect schedule. It comes from a flexible mindset that can handle a few on-mid moments. Moments which could be good or bad that you didn't foresee in your plan for the day, but how you handle this situation could lead to a positive or negative effect on your day. Like the saying goes, humans propose, God dispose. And every disappointment is a blessing in disguise.
Professor Zee holding his head dramatically.
My mornings, they have all been a lie. My entire existence has been a carefully constructed illusion of productivity.
Don't worry, Professor. The truth is much more freeing. A truly good morning is built not on a perfect plan, but on a forgiving attitude, and it's all good yours have been productive at least. Unlike some people watching this right now. Just kidding, you guys.
No, you're not.
I am.
Not.
I am.
Not.
I am.
Lying.
What? No. Whatever. You guys, just have a forgiving attitude. However, it's hard to have a forgiving attitude if your good morning commute is going left, which automatically makes your morning not so good anymore. And that's because they're both intertwined, so make sure to check this video to fully understand how to control it all.
While we have unmade the internal routine of a good morning, this experiment is only half complete. For a full understanding of what truly defines a good morning, we must also explore the forces that lie just beyond our front door. Join us in our next video, How a Good Morning Commute is Unmade, to see how the external journey can either secure or completely unravel the delicate science of a great start.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment your thoughts, subscribe, and follow for more. Arigato.